Good morning.
Oh, that's Estelle.
Oh,
And that's Maddie and Dottie.
which one is this?
That's Maddie.
Maddie. Hi, Maddie. I love Frenchies.
Yeah, and that's Bandit. That's Estelle.
She's using a Frenchie shirt now.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's so cool.
Sorry.
Okay, let's go, guys. Vamonos. Thanks, you too.
Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too. Bye-bye. Oh. So let's try and squeeze through. Come on, guys. Oh. Morning. Morning, Okay, see you. Good boy, Max. Well, Max just jumped all over. Hi, Sandy. It's Estelle.
How are you?
I'm well. How are you?
Hi, I'm good.
Hi, Aries.
Is this Chien?
No, that's Estelle.
Oh, it's Estelle. Hi, Estelle.
Good girl.
Aww.
Good boy, Aries.
Yeah.
Yeah, we stopped by earlier with Max, and he stopped and he looked in the window, but you didn't
That's
see
so
us.
funny.
Yeah.
That's so funny. You feeling better?
Yeah, thank you. I am.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Good to see you back on
Yeah,
your feet.
good to see you as well. Have a nice day. Bye, Aries.
Bye. Bye, Estelle.
Okay, see you.
Come on, son. Come on.
Girl Estelle. Sure.
Hello, Hunter. Hello, Christian. How have you been?
Yeah, good, thanks. How
Yeah.
about you?
Living the dream?
I haven't actually. I think I saw you one day, but you were on the other side of the road. so-
Possibly.
Yeah,
Possibly.
yeah. And I haven't been going down there that regularly.
Yeah.
My route changes all the time.
Yeah.
So, but anyways, I won't.
Yeah, I'll let you get back to it. I was just gonna say I saw Monty in the quad.
Oh, really? Yeah,
with his,
yeah,
with his
yeah.
owners.
Yeah, he's doing really well. I was.
All right, Hunter. You go have fun.
All right, good girl, Hunter. All right, see you, DJ. You like her?
Yeah, she's nice.
Yeah, she's a good girl. Her name's Hunter.
Oh, well, hi, Hunter.
Yeah. Whoa. Yeah,
You guys ready
oh
for
my
the snow?
Yeah. They've already been out. We're here to
they
pick
have?
up Dottie.
Oh.
Yeah, but he gave me the wrong key. He gave me the key to someone else's unit.
Oh.
You can go ahead. Oh,
Oh no,
we still have more to go.
we still want it.
You're so excited.
Yeah, that's
You're so excited.
okay, Bandit.
Where's the bag I want?
Bandit. Bye bye. Good girl, Dottie. Good girl, Estelle. Good boy, Bandit. Good girl, Maddie. Good girl, Dottie. Good girl, Estelle. Good girl, Deanne. All right, let's go.
Wait, no, calm down. Wait. There you go. Can you
Good
do
girl.
that one?
Yeah, that's Brad.
Hi, Brad. Brad's like, I'm a good boy.
Yeah.
All that noise, yes, all
Yeah, I
that
know.
noise. How you
She
said
saw you earlier.
all that music.
What?
Do you know Yoshi?
Yeah, I know Yoshi.
Yoshi was on the other side when I said that. Yeah. I said, do you feel like Maybelline song? She thought it was Hunter making noise. I said, no, now Maybelline Hunter's quiet.
Yeah. You know, Yoshi and Brad don't get along.
Don't, oh, that's so good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, Yoshi and Hunter are on the same floor. Yeah. It's gone. Hey, it's gone. Leave it. Alright. Thanks, you too. Okay, let's go. Oh. Oh, there's a car here. Alright, let's go, guys. Come on, Dottie. Mhm. Oh, you're the tickets guy. Tickets.
Yeah,
Tickets. How are you?
Not bad, boy.
Yeah, it's funny seeing you out here. Different spot. All right, have a good day. What the fuck? Why does this guy have to park here like this all week? Sorry, guys. I know the guy's parked on the sidewalk. Good boys, good girls. Come on, Maverick, leave it.
Okay.